Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add a WP-Config.php file from WordPress Dashboard without using FTP access. So let's get started. On the left side of the menu, we can see that we have an option for File Manager. How did I get that? Just go to your plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Once you click on that, you need to search for File Manager Pro at the top right corner. And as you can see, we are using File Manager Pro, and this is by Ninja Team. I'm using this one, and we have multiple options over here. You can go either one of them, but this is the one which I would say go for it. And most of the people also go for this one because this is the first one, but in my opinion, go for this one. Once you do that, go ahead and click on File Manager on the left side of the menu. Once you are here, you can see that we got the all files which we usually see in our File Manager through hostings. So here we have WP config.php. If I click on right over here, you can see we have an option for edit file, and you can go with the code mirror also, ACE editor, and even text area. So if I click on ACE editor, you can see at the bottom we will have all the editing options which you need to do on your WP config.php, and you can see all the notes and everything which you usually see through cPanel. You can see that over here. So this is how you can get access to WP config. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.